Welcome to Technia TV. Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Rohtas Kumar from the Department of Management, working as an Associate Professor in Technia Institute of Advanced Study. In this lecture, we will study about production system. Let's now start. What is system? A system is a logical arrangement of components designed to achieve particular objective according to a plan. According to Webster, system is a regularly interacting, interdependent group of items forming a unified whole. So, a system may have many components, and variation in one component is likely to affect the other components of the system. For example, change in the rate of production will affect inventory, overtime, hours, etc. So, production system is the framework which the production activities of an organization which have been carried out at one end of the system are input at the other end of output. So, production system is a process, is a framework in which input converted into output. Let's now discuss about the various elements of production system. Majorly, there are 6 elements of a production system which are very useful for creating more and more output. First one is input. Inputs are physical and human resources which are utilized in the production process. They consist of raw material, parts, capital, equipment, human efforts, market, etc. Second is conversion process. It refers to a series of operations which are performed on materials and parts. Third is output. Output are products or completed parts resulting from the conversion process which can be generated for revenue. Fourth is storage, which takes place after the receipt of inputs between one operation and other after the output. Fifth is transportation, which can be inputs are transported from one operation to another in the production process. Sixth is information. It provides system control through the measurement, comparison, feedback, and corrective action. So these are the 6 types of elements in the production system and which plays an important role which can be converted input into output. For watching more videos and like and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you so much.